So let's begin with the compound microscope. So basically, our second topic is the compound microscope. Uh, Before moving in the entire topic of the compound microscope, we need to understand how many kind of the lenses are used in the compound microscope. Basically, in case of compound microscope, there are two types of lenses. One lens that is nearer to the eye of the observer, that is known as the eyepiece lens, and the second lens that is nearer to the object, that is objective lens. In case of compound microscope, the objective lens is far more smaller as compared to eyepiece lens. Okay, yes, the height or the size of the objective lens is far more smaller as compared to the eyepiece lens. Okay, so let's begin with this. In case of compound, second is compound microscope. Second is the compound microscope. Compound microscope. In case of compound microscope, there is two type of lenses. First one is, this is objective lens, and this is the objective lens. This is the eyepiece lens. Okay, and one object बेसिकली ये अनइवन है, बट उसको काम चल जाएगा. देखो ये समझते हैं कि देखो यहाँ पे इसका फोकस है, दैट इज FO बोलेंगे, क्योंकि ये. Everyone, welcome back again on the Sunlight classes. So basically today's topic is optical instrument from the ray optics chapter, which is actually the very important topic in terms of our NEET, in terms of our boards, in terms of our JEE, as well as any kind of competitive exam which actually holds the good amount of weightage of class 12 physics syllabus. So let's begin. So basically इन केस ऑफ ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमें तीन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पढ़ने होते हैं. फर्स्ट एंड ऑल दैट इज सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप, कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप एंड टेलीस्कोप. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंड ऑल सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप. ओके. In case of simple microscope or in case of any kind of microscope, we always use a converging lens. First and all, we need to understand that in case of any kind of the optical instrument, we always use the converging lens, that is also known as the convex lens. Then always use a converging lens. Okay. And before moving towards in the topic, first and all, we need to understand about the far point and near point. So basically, in case of far point, the far point is defined as the maximum distance